Good morning, students. Already we have learned exercise 1.1 first 5 Romans. Now we have to move 6th Roman, that is observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. 6th Roman, first one is observe the commas, that is 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. This only they are given. Same like that. Same seconds. 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Here, comma. They are given like this. The question is observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. Now see, observe the commas. This first number is from right side onwards 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. So it is a Indian number system. Now see here, from right side onwards 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. So it is a international number system. So Indian number system, what is the place value of 7? International number system, what is the place value of 7? So put a place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. What is the place value of 7? 7, 10 lakh. 7, 10 lakh or 70 lakh or 70 lakh or 70 lakh. All are correct. Okay. 3 answers also corrected. Like that. Second, they are given 3 digit, 3 digit. So it is an international place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So what is the place value of 7? 7 million. 7 million or 7 0 0 0 comma 0 0 0. Both are correct. Are you clear, ma? Next, 7th Roman. Write the following numbers in international system of using commas. The first 7th Roman is write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. First question is 3, 4, 7, 0, 5, 6. The question is write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. International system. So last, from right side onwards, last 3 digit, comma, next 3 digit. So international means ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. How to read the number? 347,056. How to write the number name? 347,056. Are you clear? This is an international place value. Like that they are given many numbers. I will write the numbers. You will write in that number name. Okay, 3, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Third question is 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 5. Fourth question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Put a place value and commas. From last digit 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. Next 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. Write a place value: ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next million. So how to read the number? 7,345,671. You want to write a number name. Okay. Next ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. How to read the number? 634,567,105. Are you clear, ma? Next ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So how to read the number? 1,234,567,890. Are you clear? This is a 7th Roman. Next 8th Roman. Write the largest 6-digit number. Eighth Roman is write the largest 6-digit number and put comma in the Indian and international system. Largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit. So largest means we have to use which number? 9. So 6-digit means how many 9? 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In Indian system, Indian number system, how to put commas? From right side onwards, 3 number comma 2 digit comma 1 digit. What is the number name? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 9,99,999. This is a largest 6-digit number in Indian system. International system. International system. Same number 9,999,999. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. How to read the number? 999,999. Are you clear? This is a 8th Roman. You want to write the number name. Next 9th Roman. Write the number names of the following number in Indian number system. What is the 9th Roman is? Indian number system. We have to write the number name. 9th Roman. First question is 7, 5, 32, 105. Second question is 9, 7, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3. So you want to write a number name. How to write a number name? First you want to put a place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. How to read the number? 75 lakh, 32,000, 105. Are you clear? Like that you want to write the number name. Second sum, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. How to write the number name? 9 crore, 75 lakh, 63,453. Are you clear? This is the 9th Roman. Next 10th Roman. Write the number names in words using the international number system. 9th Roman Indian number system. 10th Roman international number system. The first question is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second question is 8, 3, 4, 3, 7, 1, 0. You want to write a international place value system. So ones, tens, hundreds. After 1000, 10,000, 100,000. How to read the number? 345,678. This is an international number system. Like that, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. How to read the number? How to write the number name? 8,343,710. Are you clear? The 10th Roman. You want to write a number name. Okay. Next, 11th Roman. Write the number name in numerals. They are given the name. You want to write in numerals. The first question is 2 crore 30 lakh 51,000 980. This only they are given number name. You want to write a numeral. How to write a numeral? First starting is 2 crore. So crore is starting. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So what is a crore? How many crore? 2 crore. How many 10 lakh? 30 lakh. So 30. Next 51,000. 1,000. Then 980. This only the numeral. They are given the number name. You want to write the numeral. Are you clear? The 11th Roman. Okay. Next 12th Roman. They are given number name, that is 12th sum. Tamil Nadu has about 26,300 45. See the question. Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of the forest land. Write the number name mentioned in the statement in Indian system. They are given this one. You want to write in Indian system. So 26,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Indian system only no. So 26,000. Next 345. Indian system use put a commas. 26,345. Are you clear? The 12th Roman. Next 13th Roman. The question is, the number of employees in Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Number of employees in Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. Write this international system of numeration. Indian system. How to write 10 lakh? Indian system, how to write 10 lakh? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So how to write? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This only the Indian system. Same 1 lakh in international system. International system, how to mark it? Mark the place value. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. 3 digit comma 3 digit comma 1 digit. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next million. So therefore in Indian system 10 lakh is equal to international system 1 million. Are you clear, ma? Any doubt? Okay.